and welcome back to another lecture of English 2. Today in this class of English 2 students, we are going to begin with a comprehension. In that you will read the comprehension and find out the answers. Today's comprehension is based on the 7 wonders of the world. It is the one of the 7 wonders. So let's find out the remaining 6. Students, this is the image of the Great Wall of China. It is created to protect the border, and it is the world's longest man-made structure. Can you see how long it is? It is very long and huge structure. Therefore, it is known as the Great Wall of China. This is the image of Christ, the red-made statue. It is here since 1931, and it is recognized as the icon for the Rio and Brazil. It is the very huge structure, and many different varieties of material is used to make the statue. Can you see? Thousands of people come here to visit and see and observe the statue. The third image is of Rome Colosseum. It is like a amphitheater where people gather to watch an event or an opera. There are many amphitheaters. Nearly about 50,000 people can gather there to watch and to see, or to be a spectator to watch as an event, to be a part of an event. This is the image of Chichen Itza Yucatan Peninsula. It is Mexico's. It is acted as an economical and political hub of Mayan civilization. It is also one of the great 7 wonders of the world. This is Petra, Jordan. It is declared as a World Heritage Site in 1985. Petra was the capital of Nabatean Empire. This student was an unknown structure, Machu Picchu in Peru. It was an unknown structure, and then it was found or discovered by many archaeologists, and it is a great structure. Therefore, it is one of the 7 wonders. Therefore, it is on the hills, on the top of the mountain, a very beautiful structure is made, which was unknown for many years, and later it was discovered by the archaeologist. And it is also the one of the 7 wonders which is in India, that is known as Taj Mahal in India, in Agra, which is built between 1632 to 1648. It is built with white marble, and the carving inside is made with Persians, Islamic and Turkish and Indian. It has also a reflecting linear pool in front of it, where you can see the reflection of this Taj Mahal. So students, as you have already understood that there are 7 wonders in the world, and what are they and their names. So let's continue with the comprehension. This is the page of your textbook, page number 135. You have to read the following passage and answer the questions given below. Can you see? Few students are there who have gone there to see Taj Mahal, how beautiful it is. So now let's begin with our comprehension. Taj Mahal is the pride of our nation. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. He built it as a tomb for his beloved wife Mumtaz. The Taj Mahal is built of white marble. It looks more beautiful on full moon night. Students, can you see how beautiful it is looking on the full moon night? And why it is built? It is built by Emperor Shah Jahan for his beloved wife Mumtaz. Inside the Taj Mahal, there are the tombs of Emperor Shah Jahan and Empress Mumtaz side by side. Now, can you see the tombstone of Emperor Shah Jahan and Empress Mumtaz? Yes, it is built for the beloved wife of Shah Jahan. That is, her name was Mumtaz. Visitors are full of praises for its beauty and grandeur. It is also surrounded by a beautiful garden which enhances the beauty of the Taj. There are numerous foreign visitors who visit India to see the Taj Mahal, a symbol of love. So students, can you see so many visitors are there to see this beautiful Taj Mahal, how it is built. They can even go inside and see the tombstone of Mumtaz and Shah Jahan. And people come from many foreign countries as well to India to only to see the symbol of love that is known as Taj Mahal. Once when you finish reading the comprehension, students, you have to answer the following question. This is the page of your textbook, that is page number 132, that you have to write the answers of it. Alright student, let's begin the question answers that you have to complete on page number 132 of your English 2 textbook. Who built the Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. He built it as a tomb for his beloved wife Mumtaz. Second question. Describe the beauty of Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is the pride of a nation. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal is built of white marble. It looks more beautiful on full moon night. Third question is, what do you see inside the Taj Mahal? Inside the Taj Mahal, there are more tombs of Emperor Shah Jahan and Empress Mumtaz side by side. Fourth question would be, who visit the Taj Mahal and why? There are numerous foreign visitors who visit India to see the Taj Mahal, a symbol of love. So students, these are your 4 question answers that you have to complete it in your textbook on page number 132. I hope you have understood and understood how to read the comprehension, and you have to also find out the answers from it. Students, I kindly request you to like and share the video and subscribe the channel for further notification. Thank you.